In this video, I'll show you how to add Stripe payments in Bubble. First, sign into your Bubble account and open the app where you want to accept payments. Once you're in the editor, go to the Plugins tab and search for the Stripe plugin. Next, install the plugin and connect it to your Stripe account by entering your API keys. You can find these keys in your Stripe dashboard under the developer settings. Once they're added, save your plugin settings. After that, return to your app and create a checkout button or payment workflow. Configure the Stripe action to charge the customer, then map the payment amount, currency, and any other required fields. Now, test the payment flow using Stripe's test mode. Complete a sample transaction with a test card to make sure the payment is processed successfully and your workflow behaves as expected. Finally, switch to your live Stripe API keys when you're ready to accept real payments. Test one final time, then deploy your Bubble app so customers can begin making payments securely. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add Stripe payments in Bubble. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.